Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is how to use counters, counter up and down in Mitsubishi PLC. This is a lecture number 17, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. Counter up. What is the counter up? We'll count the input pulses in positive direction like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, and counter down, we'll count the input pulses in negative direction like -1 -2 -3, okay. So in the Mitsubishi PLC FX series there are two type of counter up and counter up and down, okay. There are no simple counter down in FX series of Mitsubishi PLC. Counter up and down also called bidirection counter, because this counter also we use as a up counter and as a down counter, so we also call bidirection counter. Counter up and down direction is controlled by special auxiliary relay, because we know that this counter behave like counter up and counter down, so we use special auxiliary relay to control its direction, counter up and counter down. You can see in FXC3U SS series there are 35 bidirection counters. You can see C200, C201, C202, 3S soon, C234 is a total 35 counter of bidirection, and this direction controlled by special auxiliary relay M8200. This is a by traction control auxiliary relay of counter 200. 8201 is traction control auxiliary relay of counter 201. So as last one is auxiliary relay 8234 will be control the direction of the counter C234, okay. So you can see in this operation manual, this is the operation manual of the, and we will start go to in the device, in detail device, and you can see in the counter section you can see the counter up. There are total 16 counter up, range is C0 to C15, and this is the EEPROM counter. I will tell you in next lecture about this counters, and this is a bidirection counter is range from C200 to C234, total 35 counters. Also high speed counters, I will give the lecture on the future on this high speed counter, because this counter mostly used in for encoders, okay. So I will, today our topic is counter up and bidirectional counter. So in my software I will take C0 as a counter up and C200 as a counter bidirection counter. So let's come on the software and generate a project, simple project, FX CPU, FX3U, and ladder diagram. So first I will take C0 as a counter up, and I will tell you in software how to we will use this counter. Okay, C0 and C200 as a bidirection counter. So first I am taking a special auxiliary relay M8013. This is a special relay. This is a clock pulse of 1 second. In operation manual you can see over is M. This one is a 1 second clock pulse. It's a special auxiliary relay. Okay, it will be on 500 millisecond and will be off 500 millisecond. So I am using as an input of counter C0 as our up counter, and I am taking K25 as our preset value. And I am take one more input like X01 and to use for resetting our counter Z0. Insert one more, and when our counter count the value C0 up to K20, then our one output should be on. Y0. Okay, this is our output. So I will compile the program and simulate the software. Okay, now you can see counter will start to count the values, because these are our special clock of 1 second and is counting the values by counters. When our K25 equal to this accumulative value, this is accumulative value and this is a preset value, then our this counter will be on our output. Now that time when preset value and accumulative value equal, then counter will not count more values. So for reset we will on our X01 okay, that this value will be 0 because I am pressing X01 as a on to reset our counter 0, and counter will start again to start the value to count. Okay, now this is the up counter because it's counting to opposite direction. Now I will take now bidirectional up and down counter C200. So I will go on edit form and press and write K200. Okay, this is the bidirectional counter, and I will use here K200 and same here C200. Okay, you know direction is controlled by a special auxiliary relay, as I told you in my lecture. For this counter the special relay is 8200. So I will insert a row and use one input X03. Okay, and we'll use our special relay M8200. Okay, and I will take the value in minus like K minus 7. Okay, because I am using this counter as up and down in both direction for your understanding. So simulate the program. At this time our this auxiliary relay is off, thus then our counter 200 is behave like counter up, is counting 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, when I on my input, input will be on our auxiliary relay. You can see our counter will behave as counter down, and you can see now this value is come down 25, 26, 25, because I have set this auxiliary relay. When you press this special relay, then it will behave like counter down. If you reset this special relay, then this counter will behave counter up. So in that case, this is the on, it's behave like counter down. And you can see that time our output is not on, counter output is not on. Okay, it's not on. When I reset this value, when I reset this counter, sorry, to auxiliary relay, then counter will behave like counter up. When this value will be equal to k minus 7, then this output will be on. C200 output of the counter will be on. Let's wait. Okay, and you can see no, both equal, and this counter is on now. Okay, in this way we use bidirectional counter. Okay, because a C200 is a bidirectional counter, we have used is as a up counter by resetting this special relay, and we also use this counter in down direction by set this auxiliary relay M8200. Okay, if you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question on comment box of the video. Our team will be answer you as soon as possible. Okay, bye.